It's on.
Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha. Guys, I'm tired, but we're heading out in the evening. We are going to remember the last video that I did. I was saying that removing my IUD at 3 weeks. I stated the pros, guys, of having the IUD, but I didn't actually remove it. But guys, 2 weeks passed, same symptoms, and I decided today is gonna be the day that I remove it. So come along with us. I'm taking you guys on the journey. Hey, Officer B, how you feel about it? How you feel about it? Taking you on my journey. Hopefully the procedure would be hopefully it will be less painful this time, because the insertion was really bad deal. You know, we read say it is less painful than the insertion, you know. So yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm running in to the hospital. Got to walk with my sanitizer and people, and somebody will love walk with my sanitizer. So, but the hospital is gonna spray me down before I enter. And I think there are units that have sanitizer. And as I'm going out, I swear Leo probably forget to walk with the sanitizer as well, because we're in a rush. Let me run a little. Guys, please forgive my hair, guys. You know, we were in a rush and didn't get time to fix it properly. More so, we just got the camera, so we didn't get time to program it. So that's why the view is a little bit screwed. But I really wanted you guys to be included in my experience. But guys, the next video, the camera will be up and running. Hi, Dr. Didi. Yeah, is this okay?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, I want to remove it. So that's why I'm here today.
Okay.
Usually I start bypassing that unless it's just the urine thing.
No.
Because I'm kind of skeptical about I am very skeptical about things going on my hand, testing pressure, etc. when corona is going around. Okay, and I have to go in the car and breastfeed the baby.
Where is the Marina? Let me find the Marina.
Okay. Yes guys, back up on the doctor. Things have come on time.
He's coming.
Alright. Is the removal going to be less painful?
Part of that.
Okay. Let's see where I can put this. The card, the thing.
So we're gonna.
So we're gonna too intrusive.
You want to put it here?
So somewhere that is not too intrusive. We're showing too much things.
Relax. More you relax, less discomfort you're gonna have. but in comparison to insert, it's extremely easy.
Okay.
Down. A little bit more down.
Slide down a little more.
Open your leg and put it through. Sometimes just relax, relax.
It's on.
Seriously?
You see it?
Yeah. That was okay.
Give me that doctor.
Sometimes I'm quick. How was it? Bad?
No,
Very
no,
bad?
That was okay, man.
That's quick, eh?
Yeah, very quick. Yeah.
Could you tell me, are you breastfeeding?
Yeah, I'm breastfeeding. At this point in time, I was basically getting some information from my gynecologist as to the next step to take.
Anytime, if you change your mind and want to have the coil without hormones, there is not a problem. If you decide that you want to have an implant, that's not the problem.
Yes, yes.
Merry Christmas and
You
Happy
too.
New Year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was quick and not painful.
Oh, very good.
So yes, guys, it's out. Took less than a minute, unlike the insertion that took probably 15 minutes. So it was not painful. So can go back to my babies. So I'm just hoping for the best right now, that all these side effects of having the MIRENA will disappear. That's what I'm hoping for. Alright, so guys, I'm heading home. Until next time, bye.